So, what Java Keytool actually is? It's a program installed usually with Java for management and storing of security keys and certificates. And where exactly Keytool stores all of those things? In KeyStore. And what KeyStore actually is? It's a database for all keys and certificates. It's encrypted and password protected. And there is one more term that we have to define, and that is Trust Store. So what Trust Store actually is? It's KeyStore that stores all of certificate authority certificates, usually on level of operating system. And now we have different types of KeyStore. First we are going to talk about JKS or Java KeyStore. It's default type, not too safe by modern standard, and stores only private keys and certificates. Then we have JCEKS or Java Cryptography extension. It's much better than JKS in sense of security, but still not secure enough. Stores secret private keys and certificates. And it uses password-based encryption to produce encryption keys. And then we can talk about PKCS 11 that is recommended for production environment. And keys are not stored in files but on USB tokens, smart cards and hardware security modules. Then PKCS 12. It's more secure than JKS and JCEKS, and it can be used with non-Java applications. Then we have two rarely used, Windows Root that is used for root certificate store access, and Windows My that is used for store access on Windows. And finally we are going to mention Bouncy Castle that is most popular third-party provider that we are going to talk a lot about on this channel.